Okay, be ready to catch. I'm gonna launch this in. You gotta be ready to catch, okay? 3, 2, 1. No, I'm kidding. Yay. Alright, well, this is a lizard, and this is a Beyblade, and a Beyblade does. A Beyblade, I'm pretty sure, like this, so that is why they don't combine. Don't try it, okay? Yeah, it's scared. Well, we have a new Beyblade, and the new Beyblade, get out of there. The new Beyblade is this Beyblade. Okay, yeah, come on. Well, it's Tempest Dragon, another Sparking Bay. I know, right? I've got all of these Sparking Bays, and another one to the list. Well, I should probably get rid of these, but I've got all of those Sparking Bays, and I've got to add yet another to the list. So, yeah, I guess that's just how it's gonna go. Anyway, the first opponent for Tempest Dragon is going to be the bay that was about to wreck the lizard's face. Brave Valkyrie. I forgot the name there for a sec. But we're gonna basically have a Sparking Bay showdown. I didn't do an unboxing on Tempest Dragon just because I didn't want to. But I don't have the 2 other Sparking Bays that came with it because I didn't buy it as the 3-pack. I bought it separately. It's still authentic to Karatomi though. So that's pretty cool. I just put the lizard with a different person because I don't want to have to handle that and do a video. Stop it. I'm just gonna first launch Tempest Dragon. Actually, first let's do a test launch with Tempest Dragon. Whoa! Okay. The test launch went pretty well. I guess this is a nice bay. I like it. I like it. Oh, I forgot to talk to you guys about the awakening system. It clicks easily. So, this is a sarcasm day. It's just one of mine. Anyway, here's awakened mode with all the red wings out. And I am going to just show you guys some battles. And as you saw, the first battle is going to be Brave Valkyrie. Brave Valkyrie's a super strong attack type, and I'm not sure if Tempest Dragon will be able to beat it, but I hope it can, because it's a new Beyblade. Alright, first battle. I'm putting Tempest Dragon in first, and then I'll put Brave Valkyrie in. They're both attack types. What the? Tempest Dragon's already wobbly. Okay. Well, it looks like Brave Valkyrie's gonna win. Yep, guess that happened. The king of attack is really a king of attacking. Anyway, that was good. Next battle. I don't know if Brave Valkyrie's tip is wearing down or not. Probably not right now, but I haven't really been able to see any difference on the activeness of the tip since I first got it. But, Brave Valkyrie snags another point, which is why I'm now going to put it in first. Oh! Oh my gosh! It literally just slammed it into the hole. It went like, and just slammed Brave into the hole. That was crazy. Oh gosh. Anyway, 2-1. Huge attack. It looks like whoever's launched last wins in this matchup. Oh! The Awakening Wings! They popped out during battle! Only 2 of them, but... Oh, I've never seen that before! That's crazy. I actually haven't made a video on this Beyblade, but I've had it for like a week now. But that's crazy. The Awakening Wings came out. That's awesome. I love this matchup. Oh, Tempest barely gets it. No wings this time. Brave is in 3-wing mode because I think it lands heavier attacks on 3-wing mode. Therefore, it's better, in my opinion. I've heard that 6-wing mode is better, but to me, it doesn't seem like it. I'm going to put it in 6-wing mode just to show you guys. Wait, I'm bad with my modes. I think this is 6-wing mode. I'm going to switch it around just to... Yeah, this is 6-wing mode. I'm just going to show you guys a battle 6-wing mode versus Tempest. I think it's going to be the same exact result, but who knows. Hold on. I love active Beyblades like Tempest. Alright, well, it doesn't look like it really makes a difference for Brave, although it was, like, close to a draw, really close to a draw. I'm gonna put Brave away for now, and the next opponent is gonna be Super Hyperion. Less talking, more doing. Since, gosh, I'm talking more. Tempest Dragon has more stamina, so Tempest Dragon in first. Well. Looks like a Beyblade beat a Beyblade. The red Beyblade beat the white Beyblade. A white Beyblade does not always mean rage longiness, okay, guys? It can sometimes be a right spin, too. Anyway. Oh, Hyperion gets it. Did Tempest already have a point before this? I think. Did he?
No.
No. Super Hyperion had a point. I'm gonna do this again. Oh no, please don't have this be one of those matchups where it's very one-sided. Well, looks like it probably is. Next, I'm just gonna put Tempest in after Hyperion. That way we can see some more action. Tempest got that! Oh gosh, dude, the life after death. I'm still gonna put Hyperion in first, though. Well, that didn't go too well. Oh, please don't hurt me. Ow. Oh gosh, guys. The one downside of Beyblades, with sparking bays, the huge attack spots sometimes hurt you. Yet again. Well, let's just... No, what? Who cares? Just put Tempest in first. He already got a point. No. Oh, darn it. Well, Hyperion wins. Man. Anyway. The last opponent for Tempest Dragon is going to be... Man, I really love doing this. It's so amusing to just watch the tip go up and down, barely but surely. It's moving. Anyway, last opponent is World Spriggan. First, we're gonna have World Spriggan on right spin mode, and then we're gonna switch it into left spin. And I guess someone wants to come back to watch the battles because they just started crawling over here. I hope that it doesn't jump in the stadium. Oh no. It's scaring me. Please don't. Alright, World Spriggan's going in first, not food. Okay, not food. Woo! Woo! Such a good match. And Tempest gets it easily. Oh gosh, I just thought of some weird thing. I just thought of some really weird thing. If Drum or Vault ever goes bad in the anime, oh gosh, that'd be terrible. Oh. Like, imagine Vault just going into a red-eye phase. Yikes. Another point for Tempest. Alright, so, World Spriggan was on locked right spin, but now I'm going to switch it into left spin, free spin. I think I've gotten kind of fast at switching the modes, guys. I'm starting to get a bit better. Huzzah for me, because I'm not very smart, so I don't learn things very well, which means, technically, I'm a dum-dum. So learning anything is pretty good for me. Just kidding. I just say that for the fun of it. Anyway, World Spriggan is in left spin now. Left spin, free spin. It always confuses me when I'm trying to put it on the launcher. Don't, yeah. Alright, anyway. Oh, that sounded awful. That sounded terrible. Anyway. If it still wins after that terrible sound, I'm going to be... Okay, it didn't win. It suffered a ring out finish. Ring outs are more common, so I'm not as surprised. But still. Oh, that's the win. Left spin just gave the win. Man, just a huge ring out. Yeah. I think it must have been this part that just went in and pushed it out just a little bit, but it worked, I think. It might have not even been that part, just a hard hit. Anyway. Oh gosh. Yeah, that was definitely a missed launch with Tempest Dragon. What if it drains and still wins? Well, it actually is draining. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Is it gonna win? It just won with the worst launch in the history of Beyblade. Like, it wasn't even a launch. It literally just fell off the launcher with spin somehow. And won. So, I mean... Whew, that was... Hey, get off of my Beyblades. Get off. Yeah, go in the stadium. You're up next. Anyway. Okay, yeah, stay on the ground. And stay there. Let's try this again. Terrible launch. Well, it's an okay launch. Where the heck did the lizard go? Oh gosh, it's behind me. Let's try. Alright, so. I think World Spriggan got that. Yeah, World Spriggan got that one. I don't know what the score is. I'll be like... That was a good launch. It was a good launch for both Beyblades. After this, I'm switching World Spriggan back into right spin mode. But it's gonna be free spin. World friggin' got it. It's just draining. It's draining like crazy. Okay, so last battle, and I'm going to put World friggin' in right spin, but keep it on free spin. So let's see how this goes, and hope it goes good. Of course it's unlocked. I don't know how to tell if it's locked or free spin without putting it in and checking. Anyway, I'm gonna put World Friggin' in first, as always. But now, right spin, free spin. If you can, yeah. Oh. Whoa. Oh, World might win. Tempest might. Oh, it was World. All right, one more. We gotta do one more. That's awesome. That was super close. I think the free spin gets it for World. Hey. Tempest is not going on the launcher. What the heck? I love how Tempest goes around the outside, but then just comes towards the middle fast. And World gets it. I'm sorry to disappoint and leave off with a lose, but that's just how it'll go. I mean, if you liked, not the Beyblades, if you liked whatever this is, yeah, then leave a like and subscribe. And if you did like the Beyblades, leave a like and subscribe. But whatever you do, don't click the bell. Just don't click the bell, okay? Like and subscribe. Don't click the bell. Alright, see ya.